Hello, lovely people. Welcome back. Thank you all for returning. And if you are new, hey, thank you for stopping by. And I hope you will also join this beautiful family after watching this video to the end. And guys, on our menu today, we have a smoky, beautiful, delicious jollof rice. It's one of my best jollof rice recipes so far, and I'm so over the moon sharing this with you. So let's get started, and I hope you like it as well. I've already washed my turkey nicely. You can all see that. And I've added my fresh rosemary. I'm adding my chopped white onion. Again, I'll go ahead and add my chopped habanero pepper because I want some heat in there. I'm also adding my ginger and garlic. After that, I'll add my curry powder, chicken powder, dry basil, Cajun chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and salt to taste. I will now stir to combine everything beautifully. And guys, this time around, I will not add water at this point, okay? I'll just let the turkey release its own juice and steam everything nicely, okay? When the turkey is almost cooked, I'll then add water to make the turkey broth, okay? So let's cover it up and then, wow, the aroma is already coming out like that. It smells so good. So now guys, let me introduce you all to the rest of my ingredients and then let's get them clean and washed. Okay, I have my red onions, my ginger, um, my nice and juicy tomatoes, my yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, my green bell pepper. I've got my garlic, yes, and guys, I've got my habanero peppers, my spring onions. So guys, I'm going to just cut them nicely. As I said, I'll wash them and then we will just put them in the oven, okay? So basically, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to put in the oven. Whilst we are cleaning them up, you will check on our turkey again and see how it's doing. So far, so good. I love the aroma is so amazing. And can you see how much juice the turkey has already released without me adding any no more water? Yes, and guys, can you see that? This is going to be so good. So keep an eye on this video and I'm sure you love this recipe. Okay, so now I'm adding water to make the broth as I said. I will let it cook for some few minutes more until it's tender and I'll turn off the heat and let it cool down. Guys, this recipe and the aroma, the taste, everything is so on point. And I wish you were here to just taste it yourself and attest to this. This is heaven right here, and I'm so loving this. And I hope so far you are also enjoying this video. I added celery to the rest of the ingredients, and now let's add it to our roaster and put it in the oven. I'm going to spray some virgin olive oil on it, which is so optional, but I love the outcome. And also note that all these extras help to build up a beautiful flavor for the stew. And you know that when the jollof rice based stew is not delicious, then forget it, okay? So let's take our time and add all these little extras to make our stew the bomb. I almost forgot to add my natural seasonings from the beginning, but it's not that late yet. Let's still add it and then take it back into the oven. And they are the star anise seeds, and then the mixed peppercorns. Okay, and the mixed peppercorns they are the red, green, and then the black peppercorns. Okay, our turkey is not too hot, so it's okay to separate it from the broth and then fry our turkey a bit later. Okay, and then add our broth to the stew also later on. So guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and Recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family and be notified whenever I upload new videos. What an amazing aroma. So now guys, let's focus on our roasted vegetables. It's time for us to let it cool down again like the turkey and then blend it. This smells so aromatic. This is also another secret to getting a delicious jollof rice. It's time to blend it until it's nice and smooth. This is going to be so great. So keep watching and skip no step. So we're going to be doing the blending of the vegetables and then the frying of the turkey at the same time. All right. So now whilst the vegetable is blending, let's focus on frying our turkey. All right. So I'll be checking on the blending and I'll also be frying the turkey because I want us to be quick and leave the kitchen and enjoy our dinner or our lunch. Okay. This smells so good, guys. I'm adding garlic and fried onion as well as fresh rosemary to infuse their flavors in the oil. This is also another trick to getting a flavorful meat or chicken or fish whenever you are making something for your friends, your families. Guys, do all these things to be always on top or to stand out. Okay, so our turkey is beautifully frying and I love the aroma. I'm going for this color. This is so perfect. I love this color. And guys, this is going to be so good. I'm going to enjoy this really, really well because I love the taste. It's so flavorful. Wow, finally we are here and I'm so happy to get to this point. So now guys, I'm adding some of the flavorful oil to the saucepan. I'm going ahead to add my chopped white onion and my spring onion to the oil. I'll let it then fry for some time and when it's almost golden brown, I'll add my salted tilapia. You can as well add your salted tilapia even before the onions, but today I decided to just switch things up and add it after the onions because how you make your food affects the taste and everything, okay? So that's how I'm going to do it today, and I'm loving this. Right now, the aroma is so heavenly, and we all know our Kobe or salted tilapia. It takes our stews and soups to the next level, and I'm loving this so far. I'm adding my tomato paste, and guys, this is also going to be fried for about 3 to 5 minutes to take away all the sourness and to leave a pleasant and savory smell and taste to our stew. With some brands of tomato paste, you don't have to go all the way to fry it for like 5 minutes before you take away the sourness because they already take their time and make it nicely for us. But with some of them, you have to go through all this to get it right. Okay, so that's why I'm doing all these for those of you who are not lucky and maybe your brands doesn't have the beautiful taste that I have here. So now it's looking all good and I'm going to be adding my blended vegetable mix very soon, guys. That is it, and I hope you are just not watching this video, but rather you give this a try because this jollof rice recipe is now my go-to recipe. Okay, I'll be doing this forever because my family loved it, and upon all the jollof rice recipes I have on my channel, this is the one that they are rooting for. They loved it And I was so excited for their compliments. In fact, I was so happy to see them telling me your jollof rice is the bomb. It's so delicious. I loved it. And I was so over the moon, guys. I was so over the moon. At this point, I'm going to add the turkey broth. Wow, this smells so good, guys. Amazing. I'm going ahead to also add the rest of my seasonings, and I love this jollof rice seasoning so much. It takes my jollof rice always to the next level. I don't know about you, but I love this jollof rice seasoning so much, and it takes my jollof rice always to the next level. I'm now adding my nutmeg. So guys, just feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. However, today I just want to be so kind and tell you the name of the brand that I used, and it's Remy Jollof Mix. Guys, it is so good. I love everything about this jollof rice seasoning, and I'm sure you love it as well. We have so many of them on the market, but this one is good. It tops all for me. Okay, so I'm adding salt to taste, and now again I will stir to combine everything beautifully and leave it to simmer for some time. I'm adding dark soy sauce, which is optional to the stew. And guys, if you haven't seen my profile picture yet, you can check it out and you will see why I'm adding this to the stew. You keep stirring and make sure the heat is not too high to burn your stew. This is so smelling amazing. I'm adding my sardine and tomato sauce. And guys, we are almost at the end of this video, so keep watching in order not to skip a step. You will love this amazing recipe, and don't forget to give this a try. I am just saying this because you will love it. You will love this recipe, okay? After stirring to combine everything nicely, you then leave it for it to simmer for some time before you add your rice. And with the rice, make sure to always wash it until the water is clear in order not to stick together when you cook it. Okay, so in this case, I've done just that, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water to the rice, not too much because I'm expecting my rice to turn out to be single grain and non-stick. Okay, when making jollof rice, always use the heat to cook it, not water, or else it will turn out soft or stick together unless you are making this for someone who loves soft rice or for children. The water has dried out and we are almost done cooking the jollof rice. So guys, let's add our carrots, green peas and cucumber, and very soon we should be serving our dinner or lunch. This smells so good. So now guys, we're going to cover it up to trap more heat to help cook it nicely and to perfection. As I said, we don't use water to cook jollof rice, but rather we use heat. So that is it. We are back to check on our jollof rice, and guys, this time around, it is done. Can you see that? It's done. It's so tender and it's so well done. It's well cooked. Thank you guys for watching to this point, and I believe you are inspired. So if you are new, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel for more appetizing recipes. And to all my OGs, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for returning, and I believe you are also inspired to try this amazing recipe. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. If you are new, please click on the red subscribe button right now and click on the bell button to join this beautiful family and also to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Wow! Aroma, aroma, aroma. Right here in my kitchen, we love our flavors, we love our aromas, we love everything about spice, we love good food. And this jollof rice recipe right here is so crowd pleasing, party pleasing. It's a little bit in depth, but it's so easy to follow. You can as well recreate it and make it your own. And I'm sure you love it the same way my family loved it. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, and enjoy. Take care. Bye, you all. Mwah, kiss.